Okay guys, greet kayo.
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday!
Talaga nakatuto.
Talaga nakatuto. Sobrang zoom. Pati mga pores ko nakita.
So hi guys, this is the first birthday vlog of Shania Nicole Govez and we're here in Glam. Lamig, lamig. Ito po siya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday na kayo. Tara.
Sleepless talaga ma.
Sobrang lamig kayo. Ay, ang lamig! Para kanina yan. Say hi. Anong masasabi mo, ma? Are you great?
I'm so happy, thank you guys. Super I'm so grateful for my friends. Thank you.
Oh, grabe. Grabe yung message niyo for us. So very much flowery. It's giving the vibes of
Happy birthday, Shania.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Iyak na naman siya. Ikaw ba yung may birthday? Biba Dubi, anong masasabi mo?
Happy birthday, Shania. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Shania. Dito kami maglo-long message. We are so grateful because you've become our friend. Mali pa yung grammar eh. I'm so happy kasi friends tayo sobra ngayon. Not unlike before. We're just hi, you know. Happy
This is
birthday,
in-
Shania. Di po yan, papakita mo muna doon. Ay, bati kayo, bati kayo.
Angeline.
Bati kayo. Ella. Happy birthday, Shania. Happy birthday, Shania.
Happy birthday, Shania.
Happy birthday, Shania. I love you so much. Mama Chuchu from Big Soto.
Happy birthday, Shania. From Biba Dubi.
Happy birthday, Shania from Marian Rivera.
Boring lang ako. Happy birthday from Alden Richards. Happy birthday, Shania.
Yung kay Andre. To Shania, tulip to.
Anong tulip?
Tulip to. Parang... Okay. Joke lang. Ella. Ito, Angeline to. Ay, hindi si Jelly.
Ba't may kotse-kotse ba? Ano yun?
Si Jelly. Ay, may F1 na car. Ito sa'yo.
Binabasa po namin yung mga letters.
Ito sa akin.
Wow, ang ganda na sulat niya kanina yan.
Parang kay Cristo eh. Cristo. Mga grabe yung mga drawing. Alam mo yung drawing ko.
Ba't yun sa'yo?
Sobrang rush ng akin talaga.
Bakit ginawa mo ginawa?
Kanina lang. Nang late na ako dumating sa kanila.
Ngayon yun ang ginawa yan?
Pero mahaba yan.
Di ba? Oh, secret lang yun. Bawal namin pakita sa vlog yun.
Sneak peek.
Hindi po namin mapapakita sa vlog yun. Basahin niyo po ha.
Totoo.
Ayan, cute na to. Ikaw nag-drawing nito?
Oh, cute. That's all.
I think kay Angeline, no?
Parang bitmoji.
Kanina to.
Oh, pantay-pantay.
Ayun, parang may underline niya nga.
Nilapis mo pa ata yan, ma'am?
Uwe?
Silipin ko lang.
Ang haba ng letter ni Angelo, no?
these memories will stay with me.
Guys, nirentahan na naman yan.
May letter din sila para kay Shakira.
Congratulations on being...
Congratulations.
Happy birthday!